Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to show you 5 interesting facts about space, which you might did not know. So please make sure that you watch the other episode as well. So let's get it started. The cosmos is wonderful. The human brain has a hard time comprehending its mere size, let alone the trillions of items that are contained among the many billion galaxies of the cosmos. 11. In 3.75 billion years, the Milky Way and Andromeda galaxies will collide. The Andromeda galaxy is moving toward the Milky Way, which contains our solar system, at a speed of about 110 kilometers per second, 68 miles per second, and the two will eventually collide to form a large elliptical galaxy. 12. If two pieces of the same type of metal touch in space, they will permanently bond. Because the atoms of two different pieces of metal have no way of knowing they are separate, this amazing fact, also known as cold welding, occurs. On Earth, the space between the pieces is filled with air and water, preventing this from occurring. 13. There is floating water in space. The largest known body of water has been discovered by astronomers in a giant water vapor cloud that is around 10 billion light-years away and contains 140 trillion times the mass of water in the oceans of the Earth. 14. The largest known asteroid is 965 kilometers, 600 miles, wide. The first and largest object to be regarded as an asteroid was the dwarf planet Ceres, which was found by Italian astronomer Giuseppe Piazzi in 1801. It makes up 33% of the mass of the entire asteroid belt and is situated in the asteroid belt halfway between Mars and Jupiter's orbits. 15. The Moon was once a piece of the Earth. According to one idea, while Earth was still a young planet and collided with a large object, a chunk of the Earth was broken off, resulting in the Moon. The Earth's gravitational attraction caused this object to start orbiting it. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.